Today I will show how to buy shares of Pandora A/S, the Danish jewelry maker famous for charms and bracelets, which trades on CBOE EU under the ticker Pandora CO. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker Pandora.co to find the listing. Select the result showing Pandora A/S on CBOE EU to make sure it is the correct share. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the name Pandora A/S and the ticker Pandora.co to ensure it is the right asset. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or delayed, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more details, use the eToro link in the description to start the process and learn more.